If you're a retiree wondering how to use Social Security to your financial advantage, you're in the right place. Social Security can be a major part of your retirement income strategy, but many retirees don't fully understand how to maximize it. In this video, I'll walk you through some key strategies to help you use Social Security to your financial advantage, so you can make sure it's working as hard as possible for you. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure you click the first link in the description for a free Gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their savings. Now let's jump into some strategies that can help you make the most of your Social Security benefits. First, it's important to understand when to start taking your Social Security. The decision of when to claim can make a huge difference in the total benefits you receive over your lifetime. While you can start taking Social Security at age 62, waiting until full retirement age or even 70 can result in much higher monthly payments. Delaying your claim until age 70 could give you up to 132% of your benefit, compared to starting at 62. And the longer you wait, the more money you'll get every month. Now, I know Social Security can feel like a safety net, but it's important to think beyond just relying on it. As an American retiree, you likely have other assets you've accumulated over the years, and you want to make sure those assets are working in your favor too. That's where a Gold IRA comes in. A Gold IRA can help you protect your wealth from inflation, stock market fluctuations, and political uncertainties, all things that can impact the purchasing power of your Social Security checks. When considering how to use Social Security, another key point is making sure you're not leaving money on the table by overlooking your spousal benefits. If you're married, you can claim up to half of your spouse's benefit if it's higher than your own. That could be a significant boost to your monthly income, especially if your spouse earned more than you over the course of their career. Just like with your personal Social Security, you'll need to carefully decide when to take these benefits. Timing is everything. One additional strategy is coordinating Social Security with your other retirement savings. This includes things like your 401k or traditional IRA. Taking Social Security early could impact how much you draw from other accounts and the taxes you'll pay. If you're not careful with how you structure your withdrawals, you could end up with more taxes than necessary. This is where the right planning comes into play. Now, we've talked a lot about how to optimize Social Security, but you don't want to ignore the role other retirement savings can play in your overall strategy. If you have more than $100K or even $5 million in savings, protecting that wealth is a priority. That's where a Gold IRA stands out. By rolling over a portion of your retirement funds into a Gold IRA, you can diversify your portfolio and protect against the volatility of the stock market. As you evaluate the best way to leverage Social Security, it's essential to understand how it fits into your broader retirement plan. Social Security alone likely won't provide enough to maintain your lifestyle, especially with rising healthcare costs and inflation. But with proper planning and strategic use of your Social Security benefits alongside other retirement assets like a Gold IRA, you can ensure that your retirement is financially secure. If you want to learn more about how Gold IRAs are becoming a popular option for American retirees and how it can help protect your wealth, click the first link in the description to get your free guide. Remember, if you're looking to secure your future and maximize your Social Security benefits while protecting your wealth from inflation, a Gold IRA is a smart move. It's especially perfect for American retirees with $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 plus in savings. Don't wait. Act now and safeguard your financial future. Thanks for watching, and take care of your financial future today.